Then you wait.
Try and slap me right across. Hey, my man.
Oh.
KK. You little fool. Didn't say anything about our cool hair.
Poker game? It looks like a little girl.
They call these girly fries. Cat, are you hurt?
Ignition!
We have liftoff! You shot my rocket! Ah, you're so large!
Why are we?
You told me to chuck it. You seen the butt scratcher?
Oh, yeah.
I've got to try. I don't know what kaboosh means. Well,
There we go.
how come I can't sit over there with you guys? Oh. Hey, I think you guys brought us some. Me too. We've almost been here a half.